Sorry, what you were saying about coherence inside and super coherence is exactly the same feeling that each of our cells in the body do. So inside every blood cell, brain cell, there is a coherence, so the cell is alive, but each of my cell, of every cell of your body, have a super coherence, is aware of being part of an enormous organism. Just imagine that we are on the earth, 8 billion people, and our cells, maybe they are 10,000 more. So a little cell is aware to be part of an incredible universe, we call it our body. And we now are engaged in this challenge to really become aware to be part of a humanity, of a planet. And this super coherence is absolutely the way we should learn to move in the future. It's really a challenge, and we should learn it, and we should teach it to children, and actually we are trying to do that. Yes, we started doing the last 3 years. We did it to 15,000 children and people, and in Italy is a great number.
This is the Gaia system.
This is the Gaia system. We call it Gaia project because we teach. One of the main exercises we teach to the children and to the adults, because even we are old but we are still children, is like to be a planet. It's just, usually in ecology you say, think about the planet, don't waste, don't do something, but just feel to be a planet, like North Pole, South Pole. And we make people turning and feeling like to be a planet. And this planet is Nitamo, your planet is Jean-Paul, and each one. And all of a sudden we just feel to be a planet, and then we are the people. Well, your planet is in peace. Well, not so much. Now my head is commanding everything, is governing everything. The body feels a lot of sickness and pain and tiredness, and the head is giving bad food and smokes cigarette and alcohol, whatever it is. Okay, and the heart usually is sad, depressed, anxious. So we are a very bad king or queen of our world. And then we ask, how can you change this kind of pyramidal government? And the only answer is like getting into a state of consciousness, global consciousness, inner coherence. And meditation, consciousness, mindfulness is giving exactly that. So we start to feel our field, our full body, mind, spirit, all together. And we teach to the children in a very easy way, just to feel that you are not just a lonely planet, but you are now moving around in a galaxy of other human beings, and we are all interconnected. But instead of just doing an external war against politicians, national or whatever it is, just try to make an inner revolution, a consciousness revolution. And children start to get really crazy about that, because they say, well, I cannot change the world. And I say, well, there is a book written by Erwin Larden and Mikhail Gorbachev. You can change the world. We are connected, we are internet connected. 6 degrees of separation means we are all friends, and by changing your energy, you are changing your field. And out of this higher level of inner coherence, because if you want I can show you just 2 slides of the brain coherence. When you get into meditation, the brain gets extremely highly coherent. But then this field, your electromagnetic quantum field, is just showing outside and is moving, is reacting. So you are changing other people, people change you. We are influencing our society. So the new paradigm is based on this challenge, and this next step into human evolution. And we think that first of all we should connect much deeply to each other. I have a dream to see, it's like in the brain of a newborn children, there is not the normal brain. There is in the beginning, when you are a fetus inside the belly of your mother, there is few cells that are beginning to connect to each other. They create the first structure, the first pattern. And then after that, a big brain and a big connection between neurons and dendrites starts. So we are the first brain cell of a global consciousness, of a planetary consciousness, and we have to connect to each other as deep as we can and to exchange information. The new paradigm is the DNA of humanity, of the next humanity. We hope to be part of that before finish our life. It's like each cell has the same information of the whole system. So we have to provide a DNA, like a new paradigm means the best informations from physics, quantistic, medicine, psychology, whatever, entrepreneurs, and in order to have the idea to be part of this whole planet. The whole scientific, human, psychological vision to be connected. And then consciousness. And by using this new paradigm and the self-consciousness experience, we can really do the first brain, and then out of that we start the whole brain. And we can deeply connect between our association in United States, in Germany, in Japan, in Italy, here. And with Erwin is doing an incredible work. I really great that he could invite with Chris all of you here. And we are really thank you for all of you to be here now. Thank you.